Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A53 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset my phone Oppo A53. First of all, my phone switch off. Just long press this power button, and from that middle white circle, just swipe down. Phone will be switched off. Now you have to use power button and volume down button together. Just press them together, press and hold these two buttons together. Power button is on right side, volume down button is on left side. Just press them together to initiate hard reset. Now release the buttons. Here select wipe data. Draw the pattern for authentication. Here select second option, format data. Click OK. Everything will be erased. Your phone will be restarted automatically. Now set up your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions. Skip this step. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Click later. Click on set as Oppo phone. Yes, your phone setup has been completed. In this way, you can easily do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone. That's all friends. Bye.